everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. My name is Beauty. So guys, on this video we are going to be making yummy and delicious recipe, and over here are all my recipe, and there are still many more. So guys, without wasting much of your time, let's just dive into this video. I'm going to be adding some red powder, my black pepper in there, nutmeg, so I'm going to be adding my paprika. This is paprika. Cayenne pepper. I'm going to be adding all-purpose seasoning. I'm also going to be adding salt. Because of the all-purpose seasoning, I'm going to add a little bit of salt. I'm going to be adding my curry. I'm also going to be adding paprika. I have the strong one. I'm going to be adding my stack paprika. I'm also going to be adding a little bit of pepper. This is my Africa pepper. And I'm going to be adding my minced meat. This is I think this is about 800 grams. going to be mixing it together before adding 1 egg. That is 1 egg in there. I'm just going to combine everything together using my hands. I'm going to make sure that everything is well combined. Then I'm also going to be adding garlic, 2 tablespoons of garlic. Then I'm going to be adding olive oil. I'm going to be adding sugar, 1/2 tablespoon of sugar. Soy sauce. Paprika. Paprika. Black pepper. I'm going to be adding salt to it. Then I'm going to be adding my this channel. Please do us a favor, subscribe, like, and also share, and the good Lord will bless you. And that is it. That is it. So delicious. You guys need to try this recipe. This recipe is so delicious, guys. My kids always ask for more whenever I cook this recipe. See you all on my next video. Until then, remain blessed and stay blessed. Bye.